Check this out. I think I just came up with a cheat code. Or you could say a more ergonomic or easier way of doing things, right? So the plan was to strap these two in using the cable clips and cable ties. So screw in a couple of clips here and here, here and here, have ties across, nice and tight, strapped in. Similar in here with our PSU. Clip here, clip over there, strapped in. But in order to do that, especially for this guy, for the PSU, to get in down with a screw gun, screw in clips, I would have to take out pretty much all of this shit. Now, I do not actually have to take it all out for screwing in these and the clips onto them, because I'm screwing these in from the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4 little screws through the 7mm into the 10mm ply. That way, screw these on from the outside. And then the clips for strapping in the cables are going to be roughly about here or here or here, somewhere between the rear of the gear and the back of the rack. So I can screw into them, get in there with a screw gun, no problem. All right? Problem is getting in there. So the cheat code I have come up with is these fucking things. 3M, so you know it's the good shit, right? Little thin rubbery strips with adhesive on both sides. So I peel them off, stick them underneath this and underneath that. Fuck off, Stephen. Alright? And just stick them down with these yokes. Stick them down. I harvested these, a week or so ago off a job in work. They were included with this like a trunken floor track stuff. They were included in the package in case you needed to stick it on, say, a wall because you weren't able to screw it in or blah, blah, blah. We screwed it into the fucking floor, all right? A concrete floor. We screwed the fucker down. So we didn't use these, and I thought, it might come in handy. And boom. Fuck yeah. It's going to save me about an hour of grief taking all that shit out and putting it all back in again. Fuck yeah. Shazam!